Hello everyone, this is Veron and welcome to my vlog. So today I will show you how to create waterproof stickers using Cricut. So once again, I am using my iPad on this tutorial. But for you to get the best printing output for your stickers, you can use your laptop or your desktop computers. And here is the design that we are going to work on. So I have this design for quite a while now, and I'm using this also to create on my shirts and sweatshirts. So it is a pretty easy design which I just created in Cricut Design Space. So first, if you can see, I have it maxed out for the print and cut size in Cricut. So what I did first is I created a rectangular with a size of 6.75 inches in width and a 9.25 inches in height. Once you are done arranging the photos in the rectangle, be sure to attach or flatten the photos so that it will show up on the mat the way you wanted it to appear. If you don't flatten or attach your photos, Cricut has its own way to arrange your photos in the mat. It won't give you the maximum size of print and cut, which is 6.75 inches and 9.25 inches in height. So be sure to attach or flatten your photos before you do the printing. So I'll delete this one first because we don't need that. And then I'll show you what's the difference when you unflatten or unattach your photos. As you can see here, there will only be 12 photos to be printed on one page. But when you attach or flatten your images, you will have 14 pieces of photos to be printed in one page. Now that I have shown you how to maximize the print and cut, we will now go to printing. So the printing is done, and now I will show you what I am using to make my stickers waterproof. So I am using this Black & Decker self-adhesive laminating film. I got this from Dollar Tree, which is only $3 for 4 pieces. You can also opt to use a laminating film and a laminating machine, whichever is available for you. There is no problem with that. So open the sheets and put your photo facing up on the clear adhesive side. Once you have correctly positioned your photo, peel away the adhesive backing and seal. So usually what I do here is I press firmly the sheet with a brayer to remove any air bubbles. Once you're good with pressing your laminating sheets, you can now put your sticker on the mat. Okay, this is just a tip. In every material that I put on my mat, I always use a brayer so that to assure that all the materials is firmly pressed or adhered to the mat. And now let's start cutting with our Cricut machine. So as you can see, I'm using my Cricut Maker, and the material setting that I use for this cutting is stencil film. This will cut through until the backing of your sticker paper, leaving the back portion of your laminating sheet. Once the cut is done, don't unload your mat right away. Be sure to check first your cut if you got the perfect cut already. If not, you can just push the go button, and then your Cricut machine will do the second pass for the cutting. So there you have it. My cut is done after the second pass. It is all perfect, and I'm ready to use my stickers. So I've been doing stickers for quite some time already, but I'm just using it to give as freebies for my customers. So you can see some of my stickers here that I design and just do by myself. So I hope you learned something from me today. Enjoy and happy crafting to everyone. Thank you!